Hello everyone, I'm trying to get into these boxes and bags of the diapers we got this month. And where did we put that? I don't know.
What are you looking for?
Oh, the receipt. But
It's down there.
I won't show our address, but that's how much it was for 5 diapers.
You're gonna get to see them if you can get a little black and white lump.
Off the box. But she wants supper and it's not supper time yet. So we got, which is open. I don't know why it's open, but the Inspire and In Control.
I'm gonna have to check see if that's right.
Anyway, here.
Okay. These are large. We've shown you guys these before.
Yeah. And we've shown you these before. The North Shore Mega Max.
She has decided to get things that are feminine and very girly girl. So.
And they gave us these for free. And it says Pam and Scarlett because you put up with our craziness.
Hey, shout out to medical Trinity Home Medical.
Yeah.
They are amazing. They're really great.
Yeah.
If you are on a budget and you really need to find some, whether it's stuff on, if you're playing sports and you need braces or anything like that for your joints and all that, they have them, and they're willing to work with you.
And they have everything for diapers and incontinence as well.
Yes, and they pillows too. They have some amazing pillows that I haven't seen any results.
The North Shore tie-dye.
Yep.
Another pink one.
Yep.
And these are all large. So that's big. The blue North Shore.
And like I said, you're gonna start seeing Catherine become wear stuff that's very feminine, very girly girl. That's what she's decided to do.
And we have the new princess design.
Oh wow, I like these.
So we're just gonna open them up right now.
What does these ones say that? Okay, these ones are large.
Yep.
Ooh, they've gone up in price. They've gone up.
$51.
These are $51 a bag. Wow. They're usually $35, $41, but oh, Heavenly Father, wow.
This is what the princess looks like inside.
So, the reinforcement of the leak guards
Has a little bit of a smell.
is really cool.
And it has a little bit of a smell.
It does have a little bit of a smell. What kind of smell?
Like new diaper smell, but like it's kind of. And here is
The odor scent to area. Yeah, don't do it fast.
Oh.
Take your time. The odor. Oh, they do smell good.
But I can't pinpoint what they smell like.
Almost like the old Huggies diapers. And the softness. Oh wow. Feel that? The scent guards that looks to be improved as well. Looks like it's, doubled.
Yep.
The elastics looks good too. It's been triple Oh, wow. Triple elastic. Okay. And these too. And they feel thicker too.
And I forgot to say, these have butterflies for Turner syndrome.
And since she has Turner syndrome, she likes butterflies. And
I think I might have another pair of these with the butterflies.
I think you do, but they're blue or something.
No, I think they're the same, but I don't know. But these are large as well.
Yeah. Okay. Now that you've seen this, there's not really any special quilting or anything like that.
Changes. It's not that. Not.
Let's see what kind of changes. Okay. Do your thing. Or I can do it.
You can do it.
Okay. Okay.
I like the new design. Holy.
This design is amazing.
Even on the ends has a design.
Yeah, has like a diamond pattern. A diamond quilt pattern. With bows and very frilly and pink. On the side, it has like a frail. It has a reinforced plastic for so that you can refasten them. The dress on the princess is really cool. A new type of crown. The unicorn. There's even like almost like Cinderella pumpkin carriage.
Up on me.
And these guys want food, and they're ganging up on Mummy.
Looking at me.
Looking there, almost like gangsters. Anyways.
But they have to wait about 37 minutes.
The rear's emblem is more seen. It's really nice. There's two types. Looks like there's two types of princesses. This one, and then there's this one. The castles.
Unicorn.
There's butterflies.
Unicorns.
There, it's your favorite color too, purple. Purple butterflies.
Yep.
I think those are the wetness indicator kind of thing. There's like mirrors.
The purple or mauve.
Yeah. And again.
Or did it? Okay, good. It didn't go.
Huh? What you talking about? Anyways.
There's a phone call, but that might have, the phone call might have dropped the thing.